Hey guys, I hope you guys are having a great day. So today we are outside Hardee's in Sheikh Zayed Road. So I don't have anything in mind, so I'm just going to go and order some random item from the menu and see what it tastes like. It's a beautiful location, guys. As you can see, Burj Khalifa is just almost about 200 meters away. So it's a beautiful view, and we are going to go inside the Hardee's and try their burgers. And I think they are well known for their burgers. So finally I have ordered the spicy chicken burger, which is 12 dirhams, which is on special. So and the drink is unlimited, guys. You can select any drinks you wanted from the dispenser. So only you have to pay for it 12 dirhams. You get a drink and you get fries, burger, and then guys, I have received my burger and the extra curly fries. If you want to get the normal fries, it's 11 dirhams. But if you want to make it curly fries, it's extra 1 dirhams. Look at that. This is what I like. You get wow, that is so crunchy. And it's perfectly seasoned well, guys. It's perfectly seasoned well. It's so crunchy. There's a lot of fries. Yeah, it's so good. I don't know whether it's a chicken salt or maybe it's a spicy salt, but the crunchiness of the curly chips is really good. Wow. You can just have the fries without the sauce. You don't need the tomato sauce. It's so good. Let's take the bite. I mean, it's worth it. It's really worth it, guys. It's really worth it for 12. I mean, it's so windy, man. You can't even have. If I take the burger, this is gonna fly. But anyway. I like the cheese. I like the patty as well. Maybe the cheese is old English cheese. Look at that. All that mustard, right? And the cheese. Get this. This is so good, man. It's really good. Wow. The best part of the meal is the curly fries. That's the best part. The second part of the meal, the burger speaks for itself, man. Guys, that's the Hardee's burger.